Alright, today I'm going to be cleaning the EGR valve, which is right all the way down there. So I'm going to take the battery out and everything. Take this thing out, engine cover off. Get some access. So I'm going to take the battery out and everything else. And see if we can gain some access and just try and clean it quickly. Got it all out now. And here's the EGR valve. I took all of that out. There's the battery. So now I need to find that thing that I need to clean. I need to find where it's at. I think it's somewhere behind here. So I'm gonna go find it quick. It's a bit tight to see in there. The thing that I have to undo is, I can feel it. It's here somewhere. If you just right there, undo that, unclip it, and then pull it out, and then I got to undo the other stuff as well. Literally that pulls out. Alright, so I think that if I put you in this way, you can see what I want to take off. The thing that I want to take off is literally, let me put the phone in. It's literally right up here. I can see it. So I'm going to take that off, take it out and clean it. There you go, guys. Flipping got it out. Look how I've messed up my arm trying to get this thing out, man. It's in such an awkward position now. It's all of that. My poor hand. But I'm about to go clean this, look. That's on YouTube, we don't need to take the whole thing off. Look at that. That is dirty. Sheesh. I'm gonna show you lot what it looks like behind there. This starts looking blue there now. I've taken it out. I don't know if I'm showing a lot of the right place or what. But that's how that's looking. Now I'm about to clean the EGR valve. That's not the valve, but this is what gets blocked up.
Yeah, cause I aim it when I'm tryna get the racks on. All I think about is tryna get the stacks on. She got the sacks on, let's put the wax on. Karate kid, cause you know he gon' take the wax off. Cause I aim it when I'm tryna get the racks on. All I think about is tryna get the stacks on. I got my facts on, just let me rap, yo. You better get, just let me see that shit, just clap, yo. Just like your hands do, as we get facts do. I refill all the little lines and for the cracks too. Girl, that way your flex up, so we said wine and body and that sex up, so.
Well, it's gonna rain in a minute, so I'm gonna have to get this done. So I'm gonna be back once I've cleaned this properly. This is it after I've basically cleaned it. I cleaned it inside as best as I could. Inside of there, you saw how mucky it was. So yeah, that's clean. I'll try to clean down here a bit. But bow, got to go put this back in now. And we should be good to go, really. Mad. I'm not gonna record the installing process because that's just long. But hopefully this fixes, fingers crossed, because it was proper dirty before. Like some of these holes were covered and everything. It was really bad. Right, I'm about to put it back in. Basically it goes in like this and it curves around like that on the inside. So I'm gonna get it back in there now and then put it back on and just see how the car runs. Hopefully it runs well. Let's get it, let's go. I'll be back after I've put it on. Yeah guys, I've got it on. I've ruined my hand trying to get it on there. Ooh. It's so tight down there. Let me try and show you guys. Well, that's that pipe, let's go back on it. But apart from that, it's on. I don't think you can see anything. But just know it's on. Just got to do a last tightening. Oh, my flipping hand. Alright guys, it's been a headache. My poor hands are all cut up. Oh. But the clip's on. Oh, do you know how long that took me, man? That took me so long. Basically, what you got to kind of, don't tighten this all the way before you put the clamp on. You got to loosen it a little bit, so it has a bit of slack in it, so you can put the nut, so you can put this on. Or I was there for ages, like trying to put this on, and it wouldn't go on. But now it's finally on, and yeah, man. But to put the battery back in and all that stuff, and then it's good to go. Just putting the battery thing back in, tighten it, and then just get it all together. The moment of truth. Will it start? Yeah, me cleaning that little thing didn't work, so I guess it is really the EGR valve. Peak. Guys, I fixed it. I took another part of the EGR valve off today. I put a clip in what part I took off and cleaned that bit. And like the car drives better, but it just has the spanner light. Yes then. Yes then. Flipping works. Come on. Yes then. Just need to get the code cleared. Come on. I'm gassed. Just done it early this morning, cleaned the other part of the EGR valve. But at least I know that it works. Fully works properly. Thank you. Flipping out. This car is kind of fast, bro. It's kind of fast. It's kind of quick, man. Look, the beast kicked in. Oh my god. It's kind of quick. It's actually kind of quick. What the hell? I did not expect that. Oh! I'm liking that, you know. I might have to keep this one. It's quicker than the Fiesta. I went 100%. I'm trying to go pull out now and give it a little drive. Right, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna show you a little update on the car. I got a new front tyre for it, right there, because it's going for MOT. It's going for MOT on Tuesday, and that light is gone now. When I start it up on the car, it works right. There you go. No lights. Revs well like how it's meant to. There you go. It is how it's meant to, innit? It's got about a few weeks left on the MOT till the 3rd of next month. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it MOT'd early. It's booked in for next week Tuesday. Everything's all good for MOT. And yeah, the car's gonna be up for MOT. It's all good, man.